Hi, hello, namaskara. In this video, we will learn the various national symbols of India. First, national flag Tiranga. Tiranga is the national flag of India. The flag is designed by Pingali Venkayya and was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 22nd July 1947. It has three colors. Saffron color indicates the strength and courage. The white color indicates the peace and truth. The green color shows the fertility and growth. The wheel which appears on the abacus of the Saranath, capital of Ashoka, it has 24 spokes. The national anthem. The national anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana, composed originally in Bengali by Rabindranath Tagore, was adopted in its Hindi version by the Constituent Assembly as the national anthem of India on 24th January 1950. It was first sung on 27th December 1911 at the then Calcutta session of Indian National Congress. The complete song consists of 5 stanzas. The first stanza contains the full version of the national anthem. The national song Vande Mataram. The song of India is Vande Mataram, composed in Sanskrit by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee on 24th January 1950. The first political occasion when Vande Mataram was sung was the 1896 session of Indian National Congress. The song was a part of Bankim Chandra's most famous novel Anand Mat. National emblem. The national emblem of India is adopted from lion capital of Ashoka at Saranath. Its motto is Satyameva Jayate, which means truth alone trumps. It features four Asiatic lions standing back to back, mounted on an abacus with a frieze carrying sculptures in high relief of an elephant, a galloping horse, a bull, and a lion separated by intervening wheels over a bell-shaped lotus. National calendar. The national calendar of India is a Shaka calendar. Shaka calendar was introduced by the Calendar Committee in 1957. The usage of Shaka calendar was officially started on 22nd March 1957. National animal. The Royal Bengal tiger is the national animal of India and ranks among the biggest cats in the world. It was adopted as the national animal of India in April 1973 due to the dwindling population of the tigers. Prior to the tiger, the national animal of India was lion. National bird. National bird of India is peacock, a bird indigenous to the subcontinent. The peacock represents the unity of vivid colors and finds references in Indian culture. The Government of India declared the peacock as the national bird of India on February 1, 1963. It is found in the drier lowland areas and resident breeder across the Indian subcontinent. National flower. National flower of India is lotus. It is an aquatic herb that is often termed as Padma in Sanskrit and enjoys a sacred status among the Indian culture. The lotus symbolizes spirituality, fruitfulness, wealth, knowledge, along with purity of heart and mind. National fruit of India is mango. Affectionately, it is called as king of fruits. The national tree of India is banyan tree, designated formally as Ficus bengalensis. The tree is often symbol of the fabled Kalpariksha or the tree of wish fulfillment, as it is associated with longevity and has important medicinal properties. National heritage animal of India is Indian elephant. The elephant has been declared as national heritage animal of India native to mainland Asia. Indian elephant has been listed as endangered and threatened by habitat loss, fragmentation and degradation. The national aquatic animal is Gangetic dolphin. It is also the city animal of Guwahati. The South Asian river dolphin primarily found in the Ganges, Yamuna, Chambal River, Brahmaputra River and their tributaries. The national reptile of India is king cobra and is found in the forests of India and Southeast Asia. It is the world's longest venomous snake which is capable of growing up to 19 feet and may live up to 25 years. National river of India is Ganga. The, it originates in the snowfields of Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayas as the Bhagirathi River. According to Hindus, this is the most sacred river on the earth. Interestingly, the Ganga is also the longest river in India, covering 2510 kilometers of mountains, plains, and valleys. The major Indian cities through which it passes through are Varanasi, Allahabad, and Haridwar. The national currency of India is Indian rupee. This rupee symbol was adopted in 2010. It was designed by D. Udaya Kumar. The national vegetable of India is pumpkin.